Do you want to becoming rich, successful, and the first millionaire in your family, community, and even in your neighbors? Today's video I'm back again, and I want to guiding everyone or each of you. If in case you are ready to becoming the rich, you are ready to becoming successful, you are ready to becoming the first millionaire, just mixing salt with money and you will see. But in case you're new here to my YouTube channel, my name is Fora. In case you're new here to my YouTube channel, my name is Fora. And this is our spiritual guide of today. We're always using the law of the universe, especially the power of the nature. But in case you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and if you think that this video is very helpful, this video is very good for you, then give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if in case you are ready to receiving the miracle from the universe. It doesn't matter what religion you are. Either you are a Christian, we all say, in Jesus' name, you can do this. And even if you are a Muslim, we all say, inshallah, we can manifest and do together. And even if you are a Buddha, you are a Hindu, together we can do this. It doesn't matter what religion you are. The only things which is matter is about, are you believing on the universe? Are you trust on the universe? And you having a faith on the universe? If you already having the three things together, then trust the process of the universe and let the universe just to surprising you as it's surprising others, because you're having the power to make things happening. You're having the vibration inside yourself to make things coming to you. You're having the energy inside your body to make things flowing to you. So when you manifest, just believe in it. In Matthew 17:20, it say, when you having a faith, you moving a mountain from one place to another place. So let's diving in today's video, how the way you can do it and how the way you can manifest with this one. First of all, before you start to manifest with this one, remember to finding a comfortable place. When I'm talking about a comfortable place, I'm talking about a place which there is no noise. A place when you're sitting alone and you're feeling that there's an existence of a universe which is covering you. There's an energy of a universe which is covering you. There's a unique sound which keep telling you, just manifest. And then you can proceed in and manifest. You can do it inside your house. You can do it inside your room. It doesn't matter. When you are feeling that your spirit is ready to do it, then boom, proceeding with it. Your energy is ready to do it, then boom, proceeding with it. Your power is ready to do it, then boom, proceeding and do it. Just do it and you will see by yourself, because your inner spirit is telling you this. Before you starting doing this, there are a few things you must have. Number one, this is very important for everyone. It's all about a salt. And this is my salt of today. For the salt, I recommending everyone just to using a sea salt. But in case you don't having a sea salt, I know that maybe other people don't having a sea salt, or not easy for you to access a sea salt. You can use in a cooking salt, table salt, or Himalaya salt. Which one is the best one? Because you want to ask me this. The best salt which you need to use, which you need to have, is all about a sea salt. But if you don't have it, then you need to take in the one which you're having out there. Another ingredient which is very important for everyone is all about some cash. When I'm talking about the cash, I'm talking about some money. As you can see in my video, we're having money right here. So when you're already having a money, you can using a note, you can using a coins, you can using any money which you're having out there, it still will work for you. So when you're already having a salt with you, you're already having a money with you. So what else you need to have? Another ingredient which is very important is all about just a piece of paper. And this is my piece of paper of today. And I want to recommending everyone or each of you to use a plain white piece of paper. It will be better and beautiful. If in case you don't having a white plain piece of paper, then using any kind of piece of paper which you're having out there and still will work for you as it work for others. But the plain white piece of paper, it will be better and beautiful for you. When you're already having a piece of paper, what else you need to have? Another ingredient which you need to have is all about a pen. And I have in my pen right here. I want to tell you this. I want to guiding each of you. Use a red pen. If you don't having a red pen, you're using a blue pen. Don't using a black pen. You need to know that. So when you're already having this all your ingredient, you're having a salt with you, a special sea salt. You're having the cashew with you, money you have. You're having a piece of paper with you. You're having a pen with you. You're just having these 4 ingredients. When you're using it today, and you want to make sure that it must work for you as it works for others. So how you can use, how you can take, and how you can command it. First method, you need to make sure that you prepare everything just crossing to you. You can having it just in front of you. There is no problem. You can having it just on the side of you. You can even keeping it just on the back of you. We need your concentration and your focus during the time when you are manifest. We always say the positive thought on your mind will creating the reality in your life. You need to know that, guys. So when you're already choosing, maybe I want to keeping my everything on the chair. I want to keeping everything on the table. I want to keeping everything on the ground, on the floor. There is no problem. Any place when you are feeling that is convenient for you, then you need to keep it there. So you're already done. For example, you are choosing to keeping everything on the chair or on in front of you. You take your salt, you keep it here. You take your money, you keep it here. You're taking a piece of paper, you keep it here. You're taking this pen, you keep it here. You already know that this is all my things. I want to using it today. I will need to make sure that this is must work for me as it work for others. Listen to me very careful, guys. Taking this a piece of paper, the one which you're having out there. After you already done taking this a piece of paper, then taking a pen. Using this a piece of paper just to writing the things on into this piece of paper. First, writing these words into piece of paper. Second, writing the sign of the money into piece of paper. Third, writing amount of money into piece of paper. The last one, just writing the last digit of your bank account into piece of paper. Then writing your phone number or your date, the date into this piece of paper. So let's writing 26, 25, 24, just any date. So let's writing here 26. Then you keep proceeding. You're just writing all the detail. I know. You want to ask me what exactly I write into this piece of paper. The things which I write into this piece of paper, I starting by writing my own name, my full name. I write it into this piece of paper. The second, I'm writing the sign of money, which I always use. If you are using dollar, then writing the sign of the dollars. If you are using a K shilling, then writing the sign of the K shilling. If you are using just a pound, then writing the sign of pound. If you are using a naira, you are using a rupee, there is no problem. You are using maybe rand, there is no problem. Writing that sign into this piece of paper. Then when you're already done, writing amount of money, which is a very, very important for everyone. Then you already done. Folding this a piece of paper on your side like this. And remember to folding it just for 3 times. This is how we are doing. I think you can see because I always, when I look on my piece of paper, sometimes on the camera you can see. So then after that, I take in this one. Here I put my cash. I take in my cash, the one which I'm having right here. Right here, we're having some cash here. So, we're taking the salt, the one which we have. So, we're mixing a lot of salt with some cash right here. Let me put the cash right here like this. So, we can put this salt on the cash. So, the salt can be mixed with this money. Then when you're already done, you're taking this a piece of paper, you put together on the middle of your cash. Remember on the cash should be having some salt there. So we put in the middle of this cash right here. Then after that, you are ready to start using it. You are ready to start commanding it and pray with it and asking it just to work for you as it works for others. So how you can pray with this, how you can speak with this, how you can command it with this one. I speak in the power of the universe. I want to receive more money. Thousands of dollars into my wallet, in my bank account. I want to becoming successful. I want to become rich, and I want to become the first millionaire in my family, community, and even neighbors. Just speak. If in case you have maybe $10,000 into this, or having $1,000 and said, I want to receive more than the what I have in here. 1,000 on what I have in this one. So I need $30,000 immediately. I need $5,000 immediately. I need $50,000 immediately. Then when you're already done, you leave it and you keep it somewhere. This is the only way how you can do it and how you can manifest with this one. It's very easy and it's very simple, and the money will come. If you want to becoming very rich, successful, you're becoming the first millionaire in your family and the community, just try to mix in salt and money and watch what will really happening next. So what are you waiting for? So this is our spiritual guide of today. We're always using the law of the universe, especially the power of the nature. But in case you didn't subscribe, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you don't like it. And if you think that this video is very helpful, this video is very good for you, then give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if in case you are ready to receiving the miracle from the universe. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being with me. Until next time, and today, let me end up here. Bye-bye, guys.